is a major financial hub in the Middle East, and Forex trading is growing rapidly within the region. But with so many brokers to choose from, it's essential to select the one that best suits your trading needs. In today's video, we'll look at the top MT4 Forex brokers for UAE traders in 2025. Let's explore the best platforms to help take your trading to the next level. Here are the top MT4 brokers for UAE traders: FP Markets, Black Bull Markets, 8cap, Okta, FX Pro, IC Markets, FBS, XM, AXI, and Pepperstone. To open an account, check the link in the description. These brokers offer fantastic trading conditions, fast execution, and all the tools you need to succeed in Forex. Let's dive in. First up is FP Markets. Regulated in both Australia and the UAE, FP Markets offers access to over 10,000 instruments, including Forex, stocks, and commodities. Their MT4 platform is perfect for traders who need low spreads and fast execution, plus advanced charting tools to enhance your strategy. Next, we have Black Bull Markets. Although based in New Zealand, Black Bull provides exceptional services to UAE traders. They specialize in ECN accounts, which give you direct market access and tight spreads. The MT4 platform at Black Bull comes with advanced tools and fast execution, ideal for scalpers and day traders. At number 3 is 8cap. Regulated in Australia and the UAE, 8cap offers commission-free accounts and competitive spreads. Their MT4 platform is packed with features like automated trading options and a customizable charting interface, making it a great option for both beginner and advanced traders. Coming in fourth is Okta. Okta offers flexible leverage and multiple account types, which makes it suitable for traders at every level. The MT4 platform comes with advanced charting and technical analysis tools to help you make informed trading decisions. Okta is a great choice for UAE traders looking for a flexible and reliable platform. At number 5, we have FX Pro, a global broker with a strong presence in the UAE. FX Pro offers over 250 trading instruments, low spreads, and fast execution speeds. The MT4 platform is highly customizable, providing powerful charting and analysis tools that are perfect for traders who rely on technical analysis. Next up is IC Markets, one of the largest and most popular brokers in the world. IC Markets offers ECN-style accounts, which are great for traders who need direct market access and ultra-low spreads. Their MT4 platform includes advanced charting, fast execution, and a wide range of tools that help you stay on top of the markets. Next on the list is FBS, known for its low minimum deposit requirements and various account types. FBS offers competitive spreads and a wide selection of instruments, making it a great choice for both beginners and experienced traders. The MT4 platform at FBS provides excellent charting and trading tools. At number 8, we have XM. XM offers tight spreads, low-cost trading, and access to over 1,000 instruments, including Forex, stocks, and commodities. The MT4 platform is feature-packed with advanced charting tools and automated trading features, making it perfect for traders who rely on both technical analysis and automated systems. Next, we have AXI, a broker that offers tight spreads and high liquidity. AXI's MT4 platform is equipped with advanced trading tools, customizable charts, and one-click trading. This makes it a fantastic choice for traders looking for a reliable, fast, and efficient platform. Finally, we have Pepperstone, a globally recognized broker with a strong presence in the UAE. Known for its low spreads and fast execution speeds, Pepperstone's MT4 platform provides everything you need to trade successfully, from one-click trading to automated strategies and advanced charting. To recap, here are the top MT4 Forex brokers for UAE traders: FP Markets, Black Bull Markets, 8cap, Okta, FX Pro, IC Markets, FBS, XM, AXI, and Pepperstone. To open an account, check the link in the description. These brokers offer excellent trading conditions, low spreads, and powerful platforms to help you achieve your trading goals. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on our latest trading tips and reviews.